Vidya Vichari Taparopakari. This means true education is that which inspires selfless service. At Guru Nanak Vidyak Society's Guru Nanak Global Academy, we believe that education is not just about learning lessons, it's about learning life. Our school stands as a reflection of the timeless teachings of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, where every child is nurtured to grow with compassion, curiosity, and courage. Guru Nanak Vidyak Society welcomes you to their Guru Nanak Global Academy. The vision to empower students with a mission to foster and educate, cultivate the minds of tomorrow. We aim to provide safe, inclusive, and stimulating learning environment that encourages curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking through the thoughtfully designed spaces of our academy, each created to inspire, engage, and empower every child. Let's begin with the classrooms, which are going to be a 594 square feet area. Air-conditioned, comfortable learning spaces that will be designed to focus and engage the students into completely educational mode. A student-teacher ratio of 15:1 ensures personal attention. Smart classrooms with interactive learning tools encourage participation of the students. A no-book policy promotes experiential and integrated learning. Expression corners and a drama stage nurtures creativity. There will be ample of storage space to keep the learning environment organized and clutter-free. Then we will have a 361 square feet of sick room or nursing station. A caring, safe environment supervised by trained staff for children feeling unwell. Fully equipped with essential medical facilities for immediate attention and comfort. A child that will enter feeling unwell but definitely exit having a smile on its face. Washrooms are going to be there on each floor, which will be modern, child-friendly, and hygienic with safe and accessible fittings. Dedicated attendance will always ensure cleanliness and comfort throughout the day. It is going to be maintained meticulously to ensure hygiene and have a safe experience for the children of every age. There are going to be easily accessible water stations. They are going to have hydration points that will be kept at a place where it can be easily accessible to the students. It will definitely keep the children refreshed throughout the day. It will encourage healthy habits and regular water intake. Attendants will be available near each water station to ensure hygiene and safety during the use. A 606 square feet of area will be given for the soft play. This soft play area is going to be safe and it is going to have cushioned zones that will encourage fun, movement, and physical skill development. This stimulates creativity, coordination, and social interaction through play. There is going to be a state-of-the-art craft library area which will be covered in a huge space of 697 square feet. A space that fosters creativity and imagination through diverse art and craft activities. Well, we cannot forget reading. This area will be having books across the globe, which will encourage reading habits and cognitive development in a vibrant library environment. Music and dance room. 472 square feet of an expression area where mirror panels will help the students observe and make their movements perfect. This area will support rhythm, coordination, and confidence through music and dance, so that there is nothing that comes in the way of their holistic development. Another 361 square feet of area is going to be dedicated as a robotics or artificial intelligence laboratory or a room. Here, students will be given hands-on learning with robotics and artificial intelligence to spark curiosity and problem-solving skills. It will build future-ready learners through interactive and innovative technology projects. There is going to be a multi-purpose room which will also serve as an audiovisual or a television-abled room that will be covered in a 414 square feet of area. An AV-enabled space will be designed for interactive learning, presentations, and group activities, enhance engagement and creativity with modern audiovisual technology. At Guru Nanak Global Academy, every detail from our classrooms to our robotics has been designed with one goal in mind: to help our children become thoughtful, capable, and compassionate individuals. We invite you to join hands with us to shape a brighter future together, where every child blossoms into the best version of themselves, confident, curious, and kind. Together, let's build not just a school, but a community rooted in values, guided by knowledge, and inspired by love. Thank you.